สวัสดีค่ะทุกๆคนนะคะวันนี้อยากทำอาหารประเทศไทยอาหารกะเพราทะเล Yay! Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be making my favorite Thai food, which is krapao Talle or basil with spicy basil with seafood. The seafood I'm going to be using is squid and shrimps, and this is it. The flavor is heavenly, sumptuous. Oh, let me have a taste before I tell you how to cook it. One more. Aroma Sep Ili. It's so delicious. Okay, guys, let's get straight into my kitchen and let's see how to do this. This is my favorite or one of my favorite Thai meals, so I had to learn how to cook it myself rather than just buying it all the time. So the ingredients I'm going to use, first of all, is very easy. Maybe just 5 minutes to get this very delicious meal ready. The ingredients are very simple, little but so yummy. I'm going to need 3 cloves of garlic, some chili pepper. Yeah, I know it seems a lot. That's Thai food for you. If you cannot eat garlic or chili, maybe you should consider cooking something else, especially garlic. You can try to do without the chili, the pepper, but not without the garlic. And then we have some basil, holy basil leaves, some holy basil leaves. In Thai they call it krapao. That's where the meal gets its name, from krapao. Some shrimps already fixed. In Thai it is called kung. And then some squid. In Thai it is called pamak. I had them to fix it for me in the market. I'm going to leave a picture of how it looks before it is fixed. And then we have the fish sauce, nam pla fish sauce. We have the thick soy sauce, the black soy sauce, and lastly we have the oyster sauce. This is all what we're going to need. I'm telling you, this meal is easy but so yummy. Okay, let's get straight to cooking. So I have my small mortar and my pestle. I'm just going to slightly chop the chili. Now it doesn't have to be completely completely smooth or finely ground. You just need to reduce the surface area, that's all. So after doing this, I'm just going to set this aside, and then I'm going to do what Thais call kai dao. Kai dao is completely optional because it's not part of the meal. It's just maybe an addition to the meal. So kai dao is just sunny side up egg, fried egg, sunny side up fried egg. So see that it's not finely chopped. It's not a smooth paste. So I'm just going to heat up my wok, and once the water is completely dried, I'm going to add some vegetable oil. So this is to help me to get my kai dao. When it's ready, I'm just going to crack my egg. So my egg is ready. I'm going to take it out of the hole. My chili and garlic. The flavor here is but then it can choke you. So we're going to fry just a little. I'm going to fry for a little while. I'm going to put in my shrimps and my squid. Krapao. While it's frying now, I'm going to do in my fish sauce. I'm going to put 2 eating spoons of fish sauce. Stir a little. And then I'm going to do it with my oyster sauce. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, like so. And my dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon too. Voila. I'm just going to let it cook for 2 minutes. And after letting it cook for about 2 minutes, I'm just going to turn off the stove. And then I put my krapao or holy basil. You have to be generous with this. Put a lot of this because this is what gives the food the flavor. This is called krapao in Thai, and this meal is called krapao Talle. That's krapao seafood. So you have to put a lot of it in a meal now.